Hello everyone and welcome to 555 Barbershop, your home for comprehensive tutorials on barbering. In this video, I'm going to be taking you guys through a simplified way to create a textured crop. This is a detailed video and I'll be explaining each step as we go along. Now, I've saved the finished product for last, so please make sure to watch this video all the way through until the end. Also, guys, I want to know how you feel about this video, so please feel free to like and comment whatever your thoughts are. Now, before we even start, I want you guys to please subscribe to my channel, hit that button on the right hand corner of your screen so you don't miss any tutorials. Now, without further delay, let us begin. My client came in with a lot of hair. It's important for me to be able to see what I'm doing. So the first thing I do is remove some bulk with a number 4 guard. The objective here is to remove some hair from the sides so that I can see where I'm going to make my guideline. I know this is going to be a drop fade, so I try not to go too high with the guard. The machine I'm using is the 357 Magnum Bi-Caliber. Now it's time for me to make my guideline. For drop fades, I like to start my guidelines pretty low, usually about 1 centimeter above the ear and about 1/2 inch below the occipital bone. Personally, I like to give myself room to blend. The next step is to remove all the unwanted hair from below my guideline. The trimmer I'm using is the 22 Stinger Bi-Caliber, and it's zero gapped 2AT. I want to make sure that I bring the hair all the way down as close to the skin as possible so that I can go behind it with a foil shaver. The next step is the foil shaver. The object here is to get as close to the line as possible without making another hard line. When I get close to the line, I simply pull away by flicking out. I'm using the RPG Bi-Caliber. With the fading clipper, I begin by creating a small workspace about 1/2 inch size in width. Then, I immediately start taking out the bald line. I know that this is an important step for a lot of you, so I didn't speed up this part of the video. Notice that each time I pass, I close the lever on my machine further and further as I'm working my way down. I get all the way to the bottom and close the blade entirely. At that point, the line should be gone. Watch closely. Pay attention to the position of the lever on the fading clipper. For this exercise, I'm using the 50 cal mag Bi-Caliber. Attach the number 3 guard and fully extend the blade. After making your first pass, close the lever all the way and make another pass. Watch it again. Attach the number 2 guard and repeat the same steps. Start with the blade fully extended, make a pass, close it all the way, then make another pass. Watch me demonstrate. Attach the 1.5 guard and fully extend the blade. Make your pass, then close it all the way, then make another pass. Notice how I'm working my way down from the larger guards to the smaller guards. That is the main concept. Watch it from a different angle. Attach the 1 guard and fully extend the blade. Make your pass. Avoid going as high as you did with the previous guards. Now close the blade and make another pass. Watch it again. Attach the 1/2 guard and fully extend the blade. This time, you're going to take your time and work your way down notch by notch. This is an important step because this is the guard that ties in the entire blend. Remember to avoid cutting the hair you previously cut with the higher guards. Also, be prepared to play with the lever on your fading clipper, as you may have to make adjustments during this step. Now watch it again. After the blend, I create a C-cup. What you want to do is keep your hand as steady as possible. Anchor down one of your fingers onto the client's face and use your hand as a compass. All you have to do is twist your wrist to get the C-cup. If that's too hard, you can also use both hands like this. I'm using the Monster 99 by Caliber. Now it's time to use a straight razor to bring out that C-cup. Remember not to press down on the client's skin. You want the razor to do the work for you. No scraping, no digging, no pressing down. Just let the blade glide over the skin and cut the hair. For this exercise, I'm only working with the mid-scalp area. Here, I'm cutting it at a 3-finger length. I want to make sure that this section is even before I start working on it. Now, I'm going to cut this section so that it slopes upward towards the crown area. This little detail is what gives the crop its unique appearance. Next, I'm going to add texture with some point cutting. On a side note, there are many ways to add texture, but this is just one basic way to do it. It's very important not to forget to add texture to the front. I personally like to add texture to the sides too. If your crop looks like this or better, you have done well. Thank you for watching. All of my machines can be found at CaliberProCorp.com. Don't forget to use my discount code 555.